Today, I'm going to show you why we completely rebuilt our company, share an embarrassing story about our own crypto operations, and demo how we solved it. Stay around until the end of the video for a special offer. Last year, we were building infrastructure for some of crypto's biggest wallets like Coinbase Wallet and Trust Wallet, and everything looked really great on paper. We had major partnerships, growing usage, a ton of investor interest, but something kept bothering us. See, we had this sort of ritual with our paymaster, which is the system that handles gas fees for our users. Every week or so, my co-founder and I would get a notification that its funds were running low and we'd have to coordinate across time zones to top it off before it ran out. So we had hardware wallets on us, had to go through multiple approvals, constant checking, the whole dance. That's when it hit us. Crypto operations for companies is broken, and this is a huge problem. So we rebuilt Stackup from the ground up. Here's how it works now. I set up a wallet for my team and can set up policies once defining, who can move funds and when and from what devices. Furthermore, our team can schedule transactions that execute automatically or even approve invoices that happen automatically on chain. Furthermore, it's completely non-custodial. So you can access it from anywhere on any device, and these policies are still enforced on-chain from a smart contract wallet. So what started as our own headache became our mission, transforming how companies operate on blockchains. Because after all, if we're building the future of finance, shouldn't we run our companies like we're in the future too? I'm excited to announce that Stackup is now live, and we're offering something special for our early supporters. If you join before December 31st, we'll give you 30% off of our platform for life. Plus, if you subscribe to an annual plan, you'll receive an additional discount and some exclusive benefits like custom integration of your accounting software. Now I want to hear from you. What is the worst part of doing business on chain? What other parts of running your company are painful or can be improved? Thank you so much for watching, and visit stackup.fi today.